Are you ready to say goodbye to Telegram? In this video, we'll show you how to delete your account permanently. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account you wish to delete. Next, head to Settings. You can find this in the side menu. Tap it to proceed. Scroll down to the bottom and select Privacy and Security. This is where you'll find the delete option. Now, locate Delete My Account. Click here to initiate the deletion process. Follow the prompts to confirm your decision. Your account will be deleted permanently. It's that simple. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted your Telegram account. Enjoy new beginnings. Remember, once deleted, all your messages and data are gone. Think carefully before proceeding. For more tips on social media and tech, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Leave your comments and let us know your experience with Telegram. Your feedback helps us improve. See you in our next video. Take care and stay connected in other ways. Goodbye for now. Remember, the digital world is vast. Explore wisely.